Today, it's February 23rd. I am out at Courthouse Lake fishing for lake trout. So this is going to be at least one of the last season. We're going to see how it all goes. Stay tuned. It's just a sunny.
You sure it's sunny?
Yeah, it was like way at the bottom. Finally, lake trout. Been here for at least, almost an hour. The bite's been a little slow, they're up a little high, but I'm gonna keep fishing, see where I go. No, just a pumpkin seed. Did you want it? Oh, never mind. Alright guys, so I'm actually done for the season. My GoPro was dead, so I couldn't get much of the footage. I actually caught 3 fish, good size. I was coming off, I fell in the water. As you can see right there is all soaked. So, kind of sucks. But hey, it's a good way to end the 2016-2017 season. It's a little cold right now, it's roughly about 2:30, so I mean, it was good. Couple hours of fishing. I enjoyed it.